Hello, and welcome to your next transition video. Sorry it's been a while. Today I want to talk to you about points. Now, we deal with a lot of points at this school, and points mean prizes as well as some other things that we'll get onto. So essentially, every time at this school, if you do something well, you get a point. And if you don't follow instructions, you might get a point. And these will get tallied up, and there are rewards, there are sanctions that come with both of these systems. But the big thing to remember is that also everyone at home can see all these points through the apps that we use. So every time something good happens, your people at home will get a ping on their phone to tell them that you have been amazing. And on the other hand, they might get a ping to say that you need to be reminded of an instruction. So let's have a look at how this works. Every half term, you will get prizes for your reward points. And if you've done something well in class, that means that you will top up your points. And sometimes these are individual prizes and awards. Sometimes these are whole year group awards. So we can see here that week 1, the top 15 students in the year group with the most achievement points get a queue jump past the canteen, where they can go straight to the front of the canteen and wave at everyone in the queue and get hold of your lunch. There is then £5 Amazon vouchers, a non-uniform day, breakfast with your year head, another non-uniform day, and then big raffles for £20 Amazon vouchers that you can get into when you're either got really high achievement points or really low behaviour points. So we want to make sure that we are rewarding all the good things that many people do. We can have a look here at some examples of that recently. So this was year 9 won a pizza party. A whole year group were off the timetable and they got delivered a Domino's pizza with their year leader, Mr. Titchband. And we've got a breakfast here that was with Miss Horn for year 7. So all those students got really high achievement points and they get a nice breakfast on a Friday morning. Lots of staff go down for the breakfasts and come away with a croissant. So these are the kind of things that we're hoping to achieve and we really push. And this is what the vast majority of you will be involved with, is getting these high achievement points and being recognised for the excellent work. To the other side of this is that there are sanction points, and we run a very clear system of C1, C2, and C3. Now, a C1, if you get it, means that you're not following an instruction, so you just need a reminder. So the teacher might say, C1, please be reminded that you should be listening when being spoken to. A C2 means that you haven't followed that advice, and we ask you to step outside of the room for a couple of minutes. And on most of the classrooms, there's an image like this that kind of asks you a few questions about how did we get here, what needs to change and such. Now, if we've got you, then talk to your teacher and you'll come back into the classroom. If this gets ramped up to a C3, which means that you've twice been reminded to follow in the instructions, you could be removed and go to the reflection room. This gives opportunity for everyone else in the classroom to continue their work, and you get a chance to reflect on what it is that's led to you being there, what's going on, what can we change for next time. Now, in order to support this, we have a few very clear sort of bits of advice, our learning habits that you might have. So links with our FAIR values, and this is wearing your uniform correctly, being equipped every day, arriving on time and being polite at all times. If you're following all that, we shouldn't have a problem at all. And the vast majority of students don't receive many sanction points at all. It's not something to be worried about, but it's something to be aware of. What we really want to push is the achievement points and the house points to make sure that you're actively engaged, you're doing the right thing, and we're rewarding all of those who do that. Looking forward to the next one. Thanks all.